February.
I don't care. I'm gonna tell Cal. Cal, can you come outside for a minute?
What for, Jim? I can't come outside every time you want me to.
There's a dog that looks really sick outside. And it's acting really strange.
What's he doing, trying to catch his tail?
No, he's acting like this. He looked really sick.
This is Cal. I swear to God, there's a mad dog down the street. He's coming this way. Yes, sir. Yes.
Don't waste time, Heck. Go on, Mr. Tate. Shoot him. Mr. Fitch, this is a one-shot job. I haven't shot a gun in 36 years. I'd feel mighty comfortable if you shot it now.